Transform your space with tall indoor floor plants. Tall indoor floor plants are more than just decorative items. They are living sculptures that can dramatically change the atmosphere of any room. With their towering presence, these plants can create a sense of height, draw the eye upwards, and add a touch of nature that breathes life into your home. Whether you're working with a cozy apartment or a spacious house, incorporating tall plants into your decor can make your space feel more inviting, stylish, and connected to nature. The magic of tall indoor plants. There's something truly magical about the way tall plants can transform a space. Their sheer height and lush foliage can turn a dull corner into a focal point, create privacy without walls, and even make your ceilings look higher. The right plant in the right spot can define a room's aesthetic, whether you're going for a modern, bohemian, or classic vibe. Imagine a tall fiddle-leaf fig tree with its broad, glossy leaves commanding attention in your living room. Or picture a stately snake plant standing proudly in your entryway, welcoming guests with its striking vertical lines. These plants are more than just accessories, they're key players in your home's design story. Choosing the right tall indoor plant. Selecting the perfect tall indoor plant for your space is crucial. You'll want to consider factors like light availability, the plant's growth habits, and how it complements your existing decor. Here are some popular tall indoor plants that are both stunning and relatively easy to care for. When it comes to transforming your Bloxburg home into a serene, nature-inspired retreat, indoor plants are your secret weapon. Not only do they add a touch of elegance and warmth, but they also breathe life into your virtual space, making it feel cozy and inviting. Today, we'll dive deep into the best Bloxburg indoor plant decor ideas that will elevate your home's aesthetics and keep your viewers hooked till the very end. Philodendron splitleaf Selim, also known as Philodendron bipinnatophytum, is a stunning, bold choice for indoor decor. Its large, deeply lobed leaves create an impressive visual impact, making it a perfect statement plant for any room. Whether you're looking to add a touch of the tropics to your living space or create a focal point in your home, this plant is versatile enough to suit a variety of decor styles. When you're looking to elevate your indoor space with a statement plant, Alocasia pink passion is a top contender. This striking plant, with its vivid pink stems and dark green, arrow-shaped leaves, instantly draws attention. But beyond its captivating appearance, the Alocasia pink passion offers numerous decor possibilities that can transform your home into a modern, lush sanctuary. Transform your living space into an urban jungle with the iconic Monstera Swiss cheese plant. Its distinctive leaves and climbing nature make it an ideal candidate for creating a lush green ambience indoors. But why stop at just a plant in a pot? By introducing a moss pole, you can elevate your Monstera to new heights, literally and figuratively. Let's explore how you can incorporate this stunning plant into your indoor decor, using a pole to create a striking vertical element that draws the eye and enhances the aesthetic of your home. Imagine transforming your living space into a lush, vibrant haven with the Twister indoor plant. This unique plant, with its spiraling stems and striking appearance, is a fantastic addition to any home decor. Whether you're an experienced plant enthusiast or just starting out, the Twister plant can add a touch of nature's whimsy to your interiors. In this script, we'll explore how you can use this extraordinary plant to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, offering tips and ideas that will keep your space looking fresh, stylish, and inviting.